either run the day or the day run you. Jim Rohn says once, every one of us has given same amount of time 24 hours a day. It's time getting things done productively at your list and one. How is your day running by? Can you control your own productivity today well? Being productivity is manage your actions with time wisely. You can also control and flexible to relationship with your time. In this video, I'm going to share 5 tips productivity. Thus, I will help you get more done in less amount of time and also get more free time without high effort. I am sure that this tip will help you get more things done in all sales tasks like working with sales process, client CRM system, or even operation work that could stop you to sell achievement monthly. Are you excited? I'm showing you the tip now. Tip number 1, to-do list. Have you ever wondered like me why to-do list should be a part of your high productivity? If you look on people, you will see a million hacks on how to do to-do lists to get high productivity, and most don't work for me. But here is a real deal. I will share hacks of making to-do lists that work very well. First, you will need to be clear on your goals. If it is possible for long-term goal, that would be excellent. This is because the clear goal will give you purpose and directions to your self-achievement, that your proven ability to sell for your self-belief in long-term and keep commitment to achieve it. Second hack is making to-do list the day before. I ever heard a story of horse rider. The trainer will use placed bidder on rest horse bridles. The bridle were placed with eyes on the sides of their head, so the horse is more determined and doesn't get distracted by what is next or what is behind, and stay focused what is in front of them. The focus is needed to well prepared by the two, so the horse could stay focused on what in front of them and keep running on the lane. Did you catch that? We learn to stay on the lens of our goals with to-do list, and well preparing on planning what to do is a part of focus to create success. So we will need a good prepare in the day before to have efficient time of conclusion accomplished list of the day and what to focus in the next day. Tip number 2, use focus tool. I wish I know this tool early years ago. I couldn't deny I love notebook with a sharp pencil, like I have my own tradition. But I would say here is a lot of creative designs, many new ideas for apps and tools for new simply and easy to apply. In the end, the purpose of this point is you are staying focused, spending your times more effective and wisely in your tasks. Maybe you already know what you're gonna use to keep you more focused, more creative, or even more productive. And I also have a recommend for free app. I love using it to free myself from procrastinating work and stay focused things in front of me to get the most attention and interest from me with 100% all in. It is well known as Focus or Pomodoros. That I could share the links to the website in the down below descriptions. It's really helped me in the workspace of focus. It's really give a break to be more creative and productive in works with a time slot of break. And also I can customize the maximum time as I design. So in sales, you can use this tool when you call or do operation work that you will be more excited that you challenge your work with times. So you pay for out to think in front of you more and more. Let me know if you use any app or any tool that keep you more productive with your time and getting things done. Or share me if you have the experience with this app like me. Tip number 3 is mind map. Did you surprise that I talk about mind map with productivity? If you couldn't show up your idea for customer or your workspace and you seem free blanks of idea, even you have a lot of good idea, but it's a little bit stuck that could stop your creativity and making productive. Mind map could be a good choice to help you more. Commit to start doing mind map. I am sure you will get a lot of clarity of your thoughts or ideas to figure what to do with yourself, your customer, or your team, because sometimes a deal has many categories of choices, processes, solutions of problem, or planning sales strategy. So stop all productivity in your head and write down in mind map instead. I also recommend websites like Gitmind that have free access and a lot of templates to help you creating mind map too. Try it now to start your idea to create more self and productivity. I am sure you will be unstoppable to achieve more and more success with the results I give. And if you don't want to miss the highlights methods, keep watching till the end. And next in tip number 4, no complaints. Check in real quick. Did you ever complain often in anything same like me in the past? You will have a new challenge then to spend your daily with no complaints. Why that this is a tip to your highest productivity? I want to make things clear, super clear. This isn't a random thing to have no complaints. It can cost you a lot of money and time. That's waste of quality of thoughts and action towards productivity. It's a big trap of distraction in your achievement. So I decided to throw this tip at you. I know it sounds not right fit for you right now, but believe me. This is one of the best investments for you to try this tip from me. Start catching up your thoughts of complaints and replace with a power word or sentence with the truth to change your thoughts of this limited belief. I can't deny with no from customer anymore. Thank you. The truth is I am the best. I can hold it all. This is a sample that will help you stay in the lane of productivity and a good reminder to your capability. If you would like to be specific to create your productive in sales, let's join me in one-on-one coaching at the links down below. That I will help you create a customized sales success system that's specific and stick within 90 days. And tip number 5, Eisenhower's method. The versus between urgent or important. That you have to choose which task or to do is more important to work on. I know sometimes every list of your tasks all is important to do and creates overwhelm to go for it. That's called to lose how to manage and give up to-do list in the end. And the absolutely best part, I found this tip is very helpful to overcome any task you have powerfully. Get to know now, it is Eisenhower's method, the ways of clarity of combination between urgent and important. The Eisenhower method is a productivity strategy that helps you prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. It involves category tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, not urgent and not important. Tasks in the first quadrant should be done immediately, while tasks in the second quadrant should be scheduled for later. Tasks in the third quadrant should be delegated to someone else, and tasks in the fourth quadrant should be eliminated or done in your free time. This method could help you make efficient use of your time and increase your high productivity. I have a free Excel in Eisenhower's method that you can download and try to carry your to-do list in templates. And you're meant for more to be and create all sales success. Let's chart the gap with me in sales success system in as little as 90 days that will make you high commissions and finding achievement you are meant to be in sales success. Book a call with me. With all the lucky charm come to you and I will see you in the next video.